Hey guys, it's Not a Mercenary, and before we start, I just want to say that I tried to cut this wig into a bob like Kiki, but I'm getting more like Velma from Scooby-Doo vibes, and I'm getting more like my grandma's wigs vibes. So yeah, I just wanted to say that before we start. Don't come for my wig because... So what's up guys, today we're going to be doing a Kiki's Delivery Service look, and I'm really excited about this one because it's like my favorite movie of all time. I watched it last night in preparation for this moment, and I'm really excited to show you guys how to achieve this look. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Alright, so Kiki from Kiki's Delivery Service is incredibly pale. Pale as paper, as one would say. White as snow. So I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in a shade way too light for me, which is 110 Porcelain. And I'm just going to pin my bangs out of the way. Now I feel like Snow White vibes. And I'm just going to dot that all over my face. Oh my god, you know what I forgot? Primer. Well, if you guys have primer, use it before this step, because I'm dumb and I forgot. My skin is super dry and I made the mistake of getting the matte and poreless version of this foundation, where they do have a dewy foundation for more dry skin types, which I should have got, but I didn't know I had dry skin up until like 2 weeks ago because it just started happening. I guess my hormones changed. I don't know, girl. Honestly, like, my life is a mystery. I don't know, okay? So Kiki is a 13-year-old girl, so she doesn't have any wrinkles. She doesn't have any pimples. She has a flawless baby face. So I'm going to take a concealer and I'm going to spot conceal my acne and make sure that my under eyes look as flat as possible. So I'm going to take this NYX Concealer. This is the HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the color 00. This was the lightest color they had at my local Walmart, and it works really good. Like, I tested it against my other concealer that I got from Shop Miss A. I mean, of course, like, anything's gonna be better than Shop Miss A sometimes because it's literally $1, but this one is really nice. Like, it doesn't settle in the cracks of your skin. It definitely blends in with your skin. Alright, and now I think I'm going to move on to the cheeks. Now Kiki has these two cute little like rosy cheek blush marks on her eyes. So I'm going to take a cream blush, and this is the Amuse Cosmetics Lip and Cheek Stick, and it does not have like a name for the color. So it's literally like just like this pink kind of rosish blush. And I'm going to try to make those little cheek marks. Now I'm just going to take my finger and sort of blend it out. Also, don't be afraid to sort of blend it up into your eye area as well, because in a lot of animes or a lot of like anime inspired makeup, you'll usually see the blush really close to the outer corner of the eye. Alright, now I'm also going to do the lips before I head to the eyes and the eyebrows, because my lips are really dry and I need some kind of product on them. Now, in the movie, Kiki has like no lips, I guess. What I mean is her mouth is basically a line. She doesn't have very much color to her lips, but if we cover our lips in concealer or foundation, we're bound to look like The Grudge, so I'm trying not to do that. So instead, we should probably use just a really light pink lipstick. Okay, so I think the lightest pink lipstick I have is this one, and this is the Liquid Catsuit Matte Mega Last Lipstick in the color Nudist Peach. And then I'm going to go over that with this LA Colors High Shine Shea Butter Lip Gloss, and this is in the color Baby Cakes. This smells exactly like that caramel popcorn I think it's like a Crunch and Munch. Well, where I'm from, it's called Crunch and Munch, and it's like a caramel-coated popcorn with peanuts in it. And this smells exactly like that. Okay, so now to move on to the eyes. She's 13, she doesn't wear makeup, but I'm going to alter my eye shape a little bit just to look more like a cartoon character. So I'm going to take this AOA Studio brush, and this is the E116. It's just like a really small angled brush, and it's also really thin too. So I'm just going to dip into a black shade. Any black shade will do. And I'm going to elongate my eye. And make sure the line's not too harsh. Make sure there's a small point at the end. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm not sure if I want to do mascara just yet. And if I do, it'll probably be a very small amount. We're going to make our eyes appear more puffy and bigger. I know, earlier we were trying to make our eyes look more flat. Now we're trying to make them look more puffy. I think just take any color that's like slightly darker than your skin. So I guess I'm going to take this one. And then you're going to smile. And then you're going to slowly build up the intensity of the little C shape under your eye. Okay, so I think I made the mistake of putting pink too close to this part of my eye. Ew! I messed up and I look like I'm dying. So it's okay to mess up. Let's try to wipe it a little bit. Okay. And now I'm going to take this cream shade with my finger, and I'm just going to go under my eye with it. Hey, sorry for my ratchet nails. I was testing colors, and then I went to work and they got all messed up. I'm a cashier, so as you can tell, painting my nails, not gonna work. It's because like I like to scan people really fast, and I like to get them out of the store as quickly as I can because most of them are special individuals. Okay, and then I'm going to take a light brown shade and lightly intensify the center. I don't know what's going on, but I'm doing things really wrong and I don't know how to do it. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm going to dip into this AOA Studio Perfect Finishing Press Powder with this AOA Studio F5 brush. I'm just going to dip into it and try to go over my mistake. And I'm going to try again. And I'm going to take that same brush. I just have duplicate brushes. Make sure it's clean. I'm going to dip into that cream shade that we used earlier and sort of try to highlight that eye bag. That was a nightmare. Now I'm going to go into this LOL blush, and it does not have like a certain color name. So I'm just going to dip into these very pinky blushes and just go over that little blush area that we did earlier. I feel like I look like Snow White. Like, this could also be a anime Snow White cosplay. Kiki has very thin eyebrows, so I guess we're going to do our best to make a very thin and like sort of rainbow shaped eyebrow because those are the vibes I'm getting. I am just taking this AOA Studio Sculpting Brow Pencil in the color dark brown. Okay, so I'm definitely not crazy about these eyebrows. I feel like I probably should have done more straighter eyebrows now because this looks really ugly. Okay, so for these eyelashes, I'm just going to take this Mega Volume Mascara from Wet n Wild. And this doesn't really have a lot of product on it because it's sort of getting kind of old. And I'm just going to like evenly coat a light amount of mascara. Because I noticed last night when I was watching the movie that Kiki literally has like one eyelash. And so I think I'm going to try to be brave and replicate that, and I'll show you how in a second. Okay, so I don't know if this is stupid or genius, but I'm going to take a pair of these, which were I think $1.50 at my local Daiso. Daiso is a Japanese dollar store, and I just happen to live 10 minutes from one, so I'm really super lucky. So these were really cheap for a 3-pack. I'm just going to cut like right here and right here to make one little eyelash so that I can put that in the middle of my eye like how she has. Okay, so here it is. And I'm going to take my duo glue. Okay, so I just dropped the eyelash, so I'm going to just cut another one. Alright, so I'm just going to take my duo glue and pop it on. Now I kind of put a lot because I don't know how much this is going to work. And I'm also going to put on just a little bit more mascara before we do this. I'm just going to pop it on. Oh my god, ew. Now I guess we can move on to highlight. So I'm going to take this Milani highlighter in the color 01 Afterglow. And I'm going to take my AOA Studio F14 brush. Just sort of dab it on my cheekbones. And do some on my nose as well. Okay, and I'm going to take my hair down. And her bangs kind of confuse me. I feel like, yeah, I should like leave them like this because some points like her bangs are like swoopy like that, but then sometimes I get the impression that they're just like straight across. I don't know, I think I'll just like leave it like this. Let me get the shirt that I just cut up before I made this video to show you how to make this. Literally no rhyme or reason to this, like it's all mangled up. I literally just started cutting in a straight line, like towards the left, and then I just went up and cut around the seams. And I don't want to take this out, but I have to. Okay. So this is the shirt. Here. Let me just show you how ratchet this little bow is, okay? If you have any mangly parts at the end, make sure that you tie those together. These are two, like, strips of the shirt because one strip was not going to fit around my head. This was just one strip that I cut. And so I tied those two strips together. I put it around my neck. And I put my wig behind my ears. Then I make sure they're even. Then I put it up over my ears. And then you just tie it once like this. Smooth out your hair. Also, this is a wig that I like transformed. It was like a curly wig. It's like one of those that doesn't have a scalp. It's one of those that you it has a comb in the front that you can put up into your hair. It's for like girls who have like nice natural hair that they want to incorporate into their regular hair. But anyway, so I take the strands like this, make sure they're even. Sort of spread it out till it has no wrinkles like that. And then fold it together at the end. And then push the bow under. And then spread it out like that. Oh, that looks better than before. And then just kind of like hide that little piece. Just kind of tuck it. And then do the exact same with the other side. You can kind of like stretch it out up here. Fold it together. Make it go under. Oh my god. Okay, wait. like pull some hair like that, and then I pull some hair out, like just a little bit. Okay, and this is the final look. Also, this is a black sweater from Walmart. I'm not wearing a dress. That would be really cool if I could have like made a black dress. But yeah, this is the final look.